Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Image, first look of Barcelona's away training kit. Barcelona's new away kit has taken everyone by storm, with many football across the globe hailing it as the best designed kit in European football this season. The away kit, which sports a sharp black look with Blaugrana accent, has already claimed the moniker of the most expensive football kit in the world. But for fans looking to grab the design, but with a much lower cost, they can opt for the away training kit, which was unveiled last week. Due to the ongoing international break, though, fans were not able to witness any Barcelona player donning the away training kit. But a recent photo shared by Barcelona Femini has given us the first look at the away training kit. The picture offers a glimpse of Barca Femini superstar Alexia Putellas donning the away training kit. Barcelona Feminis X account also shared the link to the official store, where supporters can buy the training kit. While the maxed-out version of the official away kit for the 2024-25 season costs a whopping €184.99, fans can get hold of the away training kit for just €64.99.